Welcome to the channel and welcome to another cruise with Caribbean E as he takes you around the city of Santiago into some places you may or may not have seen. So today he's going to show you those properties that he promised in La Trinitaria. So let's take a look at some beautiful existing, built, and being built properties in this neighborhood. One of the amazing things about living in Santiago is the different environments that you can find yourself in by just venturing over a few blocks. You can have quiet living, suburban, upscale. There's countryside, there's farmland, there's metropolitan, there's everything all in one city. And as we continue to show you parts of Santiago that you might not be familiar with or haven't seen, remember that nestled around every corner is a new experience, a new way of living, and the Caribbean life that some of us only dreamed of. So we hope that you enjoyed that tour. And as always, remember to hit subscribe. Always hit notifications. Give this and all videos a thumbs up because hitting subscribe and hitting thumbs up is a free and easy way to patron the channel. And as always, all information is always underneath every video in case you were thinking about that one-on-one consultation with us about Santiago or anywhere else in the Dominican Republic. So until then, see you on the next video.